In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will have 10 seconds to answer. Each correct answer is worth 1 point. Earlier we had the toss and Homestead Primary won and decided to go first. This section lasts for 4 minutes, so with that time on the clock, we begin with Homestead Primary. Bible knowledge. Who were the parents of Samuel?
Hannah Elkanah.
That's correct. Bible knowledge. Portmore Missionary. Who were the parents of Jacob?
Rebecca and Isaac.
That's correct. Homestead science. Roots absorb water and essential minerals from the soil, which are then transported to the root of the plant. Is this true or false? To the rest of the plant, that is.
True.
True is correct. Science. Portmore Missionary. Roots store carbohydrates, sugars, and proteins for later use, acting as a food reserve. Is this true or false?
True.
That's correct. Jamaican Affairs is a visual question. Homestead. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
John Brown.
Incorrect. Metriciaga, president of the Private Sector Organization of Jamaica, PSOJ. Portmore Missionary, Jamaican Affairs for you also. It's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this person.
Vladimir Putin.
Incorrect. Wayne Chen, president of the Jamaica Employers Federation, JEF. English language. Homestead. Spell confession.
Confession.
Correct. English language. Portmore Missionary. Spell excitement.
Excitement.
Correct. Television, a visual question. Homestead. Look at the monitor and give the full name of this cartoon character.
Wednesday Addams.
Incorrect. Susie Carmichael. Television, a visual question for you, Portmore Missionary. Look at the monitor and give the full name of this cartoon character.
Philip Deeville.
Incorrect. Otto Rocket. General knowledge. Homestead. Who was the 45th president of the United States of America?
Joe Biden.
Incorrect. Donald Trump. General knowledge. Portmore Missionary. Who did Donald Trump succeed as U.S. president in January 2025?
J.D. Vance.
Incorrect. Joe Biden. Social studies. Homestead. Who was Jamaica's first governor general after independence?
Kenneth Blackburn.
Sir Kenneth Blackburn. That's correct. Social studies. Portmore Missionary. Who was the first Jamaican-born governor general of Jamaica?
Sir Clifford Campbell.
That's right. Homestead. Music, a visual question. Look at the monitor and identify this artist.
Damian Marley.
Incorrect. Stephen Marley. Music, a visual question. Portmore Missionary. Look at the monitor and identify this artist.
Bob Marley.
Incorrect. Ziggy Marley. Mathematics. Homestead. What is the least common multiple of 2, 5, and 12?
60.
That's right. Mathematics. Portmore Missionary. What is the least common multiple of 3, 5, and 7?
45.
Incorrect. 105. Sports, a visual question. Homestead. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican Olympian.
Richard Gale.
Incorrect. Nesta Carter. Sports, a visual question. Portmore Missionary. Look at the monitor and identify this Jamaican Olympian.
Oblique Seville.
Incorrect. Michael Frater. Jamaican Affairs, and we don't have time for that or any more questions. That is the end of section 1. The scores are Portmore Missionary Prep on 4 and Homestead Primary on 5, just 1 point ahead. Now, before we head to a quick break, here's a friendly tip from Guardian Achiever. Do not cross streets without the assistance of a traffic warden or from an adult with whom you are traveling. Safety is very important. A very valuable tip there from Guardian Achiever. Please stay with us. Season 22 of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.